I noticed that it was one of the things that Good Neighbor Pharmacy offered, and I thought it was a good niche market. And I have diabetes myself, so I have a certain vested interest in treating or caring for the diabetic patient. I think if my patients know that I am also a diabetic, they feel a little more comfortable that I've been through it, and I probably know what I'm talking about. I think it breaks the ice. Misery loves company, it's a sort of thing. And usually they are a little bit miserable when they first find out they are diabetic. So, when they see that I'm still functioning and doing well, tends to give them a little bit of a lift. As a diabetes shop, we try to reach out to the community by having clinics that come in and they'll test for diabetes and cholesterol, blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure. We have those 2 or 3 times a year. And we have found a few diabetics that way that didn't know they were. I've also referred some of our patients up to the YMCA up the street. They run a monthly class on diabetes. They have a certified diabetes educator there that comes in and talks to them about diet, exercise, nutrition, medications, insulin, hypoglycemia, the whole gamut. During National Diabetes Month in November, we collect and we sell the shoes for the Juvenile Diabetes Walk. This year I got a commitment from our foundation at the clinic, and they said they would match what we made up to a certain point. So we donated approximately $1,500 this year. I'm also a distributor for American Diabetes Association. We are a reseller of their books, which it's always nice if somebody is diabetic to have Diabetes 101, so they can, something that they can put in their hand and read and teach themselves about the disease. We're in a large medical complex on Route 301 in Zephyr Hills. We're at the far end of the plaza with a drive-through. It's a small store. We've got 6 full-time employees, two cashiers, 3 technicians, and myself. When you walk in, you'll be greeted rather quickly. We pride ourselves on our customer service, and we pride ourselves on getting your prescription filled in a fast and efficient manner. We've got a lot of competitors. I call them the big boxes. I've actually had somebody at one of the other stores, customer went in there and patient asked, how long will this take? And they said, it'll be a couple hours. And they said, a couple hours?
Yes, I like coming over here.
And
I love this pharmacy. And I've been coming here for 18 years, and I'm from way back when Chip used to send my medicine when I was up north, because it was easier to do it that way. And it was a wonderful courtesy. And whenever I've called or whenever I've asked, I've always gotten the information that I wanted. Everybody's pleasant and agreeable. And
I'll second it. I agree with her. Very much so. Everything.
It's a wonderful place to come.
The only place.
Yeah, me too.
The only place to come.
there we go. But the cashier at the counter at my competitor's store said, if you want it quicker, go over to Florida Medical. And the guy came over and told me that, and I was like, I can't buy advertising like that.